So in this video, I am going to share with you how I made my first $5,000 online, so you can literally just copy me. So I suggest you grab a notebook and a pen, because what I'm going to reveal in this video can make you thousands of dollars per month, per week, and even per day if you apply it. Now, since it's probably the first time you and I meet, why should you listen to me? My name is Fred, and just a few years ago I was struggling financially and I desperately wanted to become successful. Nowadays, I make upwards of $1,000 per day in profit with my own consulting business. I started off back in 2022 by selling done-for-you lead generation services for entrepreneurs. And on this channel, I'm not only sharing with you my journey as an entrepreneur, originally from the lower middle class, but I'm also sharing with you actionable step-by-step strategies so you too can become financially free. So the first step is to set a clear goal for the next 3 to 12 months. When I was a kid, every time I would meet someone new, I would always ask them, what's your dream? Because I was always so curious to know what other people wanted to do with their life. Because from a very young age, I knew I wanted to become successful. I knew it was my duty. Growing up in a lower middle class, I saw my parents work extremely hard, all of that to be underpaid and undervalued at work. And we could never really buy any of the things we wanted, so it really felt like we were living half of a life. While at the same time, at school, I could see these rich kids getting dropped off in brand new Porsches, BMWs, they had Gucci clothes or whatever. They were living the life. They went on vacation, explored other countries, but we never did any of that because we couldn't afford it. And so very early on in life, I figured it was my duty as a son to show my parents you could make money differently, there was an alternative path, and it was also my duty to become successful so I could provide for myself and for my family. And that's why step number one is to become crystal clear on what your goals are and what you want out of life. We are entering a new year at the time I'm recording this video, 2025, and most people will set goals. They will say, oh, I will stop smoking, I'll stop drinking, I'll start my business, I'll get a raise, I'll do this, I'll do that. But then, if we look at them at the end of 2025, another full 12 months have passed, yet they're still in the same position. And the reason this typically happens is because most people, first of all, they don't have clear goals, they have wishes. Wanting to lose weight is not a goal. Wanting to lose 20 pounds in the next 3 months is a goal. Wanting to make more money and be wealthy, it's not a goal, it's a wish. Everybody wants to be in better shape or be wealthier, but those are not goals. If you say, okay, in the next 6 months, I will reach $10,000 per month, you might not achieve that goal, but by setting a goal, at least you're going to force yourself to take action. And hell, let's say you achieve to make $2,000 per month in 6 months, online, remote, with just your laptop and a steady internet connection. Is it not worth it? I mean, I know we live in a world where we're all superficial, and especially on social media, and I know I post pictures of the nice shit on Instagram, so I do have my part to play in it, but at the same time, if you manage to make $2,000 per month online, you are not a failure. You're like in the top 0.1%, because most people never make a single cent online, because, well, most people, they don't even try, to be honest. So you have to really become crystal clear on what drives you, what motivates you, what do you want out of life. And every motivation is good to take if you want to be successful, so you can piss off your haters. Okay, I mean, I'm not gonna judge you for it, who cares, it's your goals. Every motivation is good to take. You know why? Because it forces you to get out of bed in the morning and to put in the work day after day. And it's only by putting in the work day after day, working on the right thing consistently, that you will become successful. I speak to a lot of people on a weekly basis, and whenever people tell me they just don't know what they want in life, sometimes I reach out to these people 3 to 6 months later, or they reach out back to me, and it's like, nothing has changed. Well, of course nothing has changed. If you don't even know where you're going, you can't measure your progress because you have no idea what you're doing. So that's step number one. And over 5 years ago, the reason why I was broke, the reason why I had so many vices, addictions, why I was struggling with discipline, it's because I lacked clarity. I knew I wanted to become wealthy, but it was more of a wish than a goal. And on top of that, I didn't have a proven step-by-step process to follow to get my first couple customers and to get the ball rolling and to build a real empire, a real business. Which is why the next step after that is to find a painful problem to solve for people. We call this business model consulting, but you can also sell services, not just coaching. And you have to understand that if you can solve a painful problem for someone, they will pay you, and they will pay you handsomely for it. The whole economy in the whole world is literally centered around people buying solutions to painful problems. When you go to the grocery store, you buy a solution to a problem. You need food to feed yourself. When you go to the doctor, you buy yet again a solution to a problem. Maybe you're sick, you need some treatment, maybe you need a surgery, maybe you got injured. But let me ask you a question. What's the difference between a $10 recipe book and a $1,000 fitness coaching package? The difference is in the perceived value of what you offer. Because a $10 healthy recipe book is very unlikely to help you to reach your goals of losing 20 pounds and getting in shape, because there's no one to coach you, to give you a step-by-step process, and to keep you accountable. But the $1,000 coaching coaching fitness offer is much more likely to help someone to reach their goals, because there's not only the financial investment, so people take it more seriously, but on top of that, clients receive a step-by-step process and support accountability. And there's plenty of different problems that you can solve for people. You could do lead generation for local businesses, online businesses. You could also coach people on how to get in shape, on how to overcome an addiction, how to find the love of their life, how to become better versions of themselves, how to deal with stress. Like, there's plenty of things that you could do. Some of my students, they do local lead generation. Some of my students, they do fitness coaching. Like, there are no limits. Now, I can't really go too in depth in this video, otherwise it's going to be 5 hours long. But if you want to discover the only 3 activities you need to do if you want to make serious money with your business, I've made a free video in which I explain everything. You will find the link in the description below. Or you can also directly apply to book a call with me or my team, and we'll see if we can help you to build your business. Now, the step that comes after that is getting out of your comfort zone. In order to find the level of success I've been able to have nowadays, I had to evolve myself into a different version of myself. If you take a look at the first videos I posted on my YouTube channel back in 2022, almost 3 years ago now, well, you can see my videos, I was speaking differently. My voice sounded different. I looked different. That if they just go to Facebook ads or Instagram ads, or if they just shoot a YouTube ad, everything about it was different. And that's because back then I was a different version of myself. 5 years ago, when I was struggling financially and I wanted to become successful so badly, but I just had no clue how to do it, I was a different version of myself too. In fact, I was so different back then. It's pretty funny and pretty vulnerable for me to share this with you, but I was so anxious, I couldn't even just leave the house to go for a walk in the neighborhood for months. And so for 7 months initially, I procrastinated working on the business that changed my life because I was scared. Yes, that's the truth, I was scared. And what I've found by speaking to lots of people is that most people, they're scared. And that's why a lot of people don't even get started and take that leap of faith that they need to start their business, because they're scared. But one day I told myself, you know what, I am sick of this shit. And so I wrote down a list of everything I was afraid to do at the time. I was afraid to do stupid shit, honestly, like going for a walk in the neighborhood, calling my hairdresser to book an appointment, going to the bathroom on a plane, like very stupid things. But so of course, if I was afraid to do these things, then how could I reach out to potential customers, make content, or take sales meetings and build a profitable business? I couldn't. So I understood I had to evolve into a better version of myself, get out of my comfort zone. And so every single day I forced myself to do one thing I was afraid to do, and that exercise. I don't even remember how I came up with it. I just thought fear is preventing me from doing everything. Fear is my big blockage. So how can I become limitless? How can I become fearless? And every day I did one thing I was afraid to do until I became relentless, limitless, unstoppable. And even to this day, sometimes I am still afraid to do certain things, because with each new level comes new challenges. You'll have to do things you're not used to doing. No pain, no gain. You don't grow in your comfort zone, you grow outside of it. But I still do it to this day. And nowadays, you have to understand we have incredible opportunities to make thousands and thousands of dollars with just a Wi-Fi connection and a laptop from the comfort of our home. But that doesn't mean it won't take some serious hard work. People who are afraid to roll up their sleeves and to put in the work, and they expect everything to be served to them on a silver platter, they never succeed. And so I'm telling you this because it's extremely important, more than any business tactic you'll ever know. And there's a reason why most businesses fail. And I used to think, oh well, it's because some people are smarter, some people work harder, and some people are just lazy. But that was lazy thinking on my part. What I discovered after speaking to hundreds of people by now is that the thing that prevents most people from succeeding, it's genuinely just fear, lack of taking action consistently, following the right step-by-step process. Now, if you want to become wealthy, you need to master this one skill, which is sales. Ever since I learned to sell, and I'm always in the process of improving myself, because nobody knows everything. People who tell you that, I mean honestly, no one knows everything. So I'm humble enough to realize I always need to do better, and I always need to keep improving myself. What doesn't evolve decays and dies. The law of evolution is the most fundamental law of this universe. But what you need to remember is that great salespeople, they don't sell the product itself, they don't sell the service itself, they sell a desire, an outcome. To give you an actual example, you've probably bought perfume in your life at some point, and if you haven't, then you know at least family members who did. Well, technically speaking, if you take a look at any perfume ad or any kind of marketing for perfumes, they're never selling you the ingredients list. They're not selling you water, alcohol, vanilla extract, ginger, or whatever else they put in the perfume, because if they did, they could never charge more than $10 goes for it because it becomes a commodity. You could go and get it from the store for very cheap, but instead they sell you a perfume for $100, $200 because they sell you attraction, love, sex, relationships. And who doesn't want to be more desired, more attractive? Come on. When you go to the Ferrari dealership, they're not selling you a car. If you just wanted a car to go from point A to point B, you could get a Fiat Mini, you could get a Toyota. But why do most people prefer a high-end premium car? Because of the things it buys you, the things around it, the social status, the excellent craftsmanship, everything around it. You buy a work of art. So always remember this. Focus on selling an outcome, a transformation, not raw materials, not deliverables. People don't hire you because they want to be coached by you. People hire you because they want the outcome from that coaching. To give you an example, if you sell a fitness offer, well, again, people don't care to receive an ebook for healthy recipes or to have a meal plan or a specific workout program. Sure, these things matter, obviously, but at the same time, people don't buy the workout program because they want the workout itself, most likely. They buy it because they want to get in shape, they want to lose weight, they want to look better and feel better, regain their confidence, look in the mirror and see something that they're proud of instead of something that makes them feel bad and ashamed. That's what people buy. Now what comes after that is that you need to get attention, visibility for your offer, because you could be the best salesperson in the world, but if you're not getting in front of enough people, it won't matter. Now for now, you want to forget about paid advertising. Paid advertising is an excellent way to get customers if you know what you're doing, but it's also pretty expensive. So for most beginners, I don't recommend it because you need to be willing to spend at least thousands of dollars per month, and most people simply can't afford that. So instead, we want to leverage free content and conversations with people to get customers for completely free. If you're a business owner, you see social media platforms differently than most people. Most people simply see social media platforms as platforms to have fun, to watch funny reels, to message the people that you love and to have a good time. But business owners see it as a business opportunity because it's literally free advertising. You make content to attract your ideal customers to you, but what we also do is that we go ahead and we set appointments ourselves. So instead of just waiting for people to come to us, every time we get a like, a follow or a comment, we reach out to these people in their DMs, like on Instagram DMs to give you an example, and we ask them some questions. We want to see why they followed us, why they liked or commented on our post, and we want to see if they're qualified for what we have to offer, if it could genuinely benefit them, and if it does, we tell them, hey look, you could book a call with me, and on that call, if you can genuinely help that person, you want to make them an offer to work with you. And so what you need to remember throughout this whole process is that the more conversations you start with people, the more money you're gonna make, because it's really a numbers game at the end of the day. So right now, your obsession, it should be to get your first paying customer, to establish what we call proof of concept, because if one person buys from you, it's a vote. People vote with their money. People can tell you, oh yeah, your offer is amazing, I'm super interested, but none of that matters, because for all you know, they could be saying that out of politeness because they don't want to hurt your ego, or they're too afraid to say what they really think. But if you can get one paying customer, you can get 10, and if you can get 10, you can get 100. If you can get 100, you can get 1,000. If you can get 1,000, you can get 10,000. There are no limits. Now look, it's time you make a choice. You're free to keep watching YouTube videos, but if you want to get results, you need to take action. Which is why, if you are part of that minority of ambitious individuals who's committed to building their business and becoming financially free, you can check out the free resources in the description below or directly apply to book a call with me or my team, and we'll see if we can actually help you. That being said, if you found this video helpful, share it with a friend, and together, let's blow up this YouTube channel to empower more people to become financially free. And as a way to thank you, when we get to 100,000 subscribers, I will be giving away $10,000.